In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Google AdSense application rejection. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So, you've recently put your heart and soul into an application for Google AdSense, only to receive a frustrating rejection email. This is a common scenario many content creators face, so you're not alone. The email you received stating that your application does not meet program criteria can feel vague and discouraging. First, let's take a look at what might be going wrong. Since Google didn't provide specific reasons for the rejection, it can be tough to determine the exact issues. However, I can guide you through some essential steps you can take to improve your site and reapply confidently. To start, review your website's content quality. Google looks for original, engaging, and valuable content that can hook your visitors. If your site has thin content, meaning that it doesn't provide enough substance or value, it's time to enhance your articles. Dive into your existing content and ask yourself if it answers any questions your audience may have. Consider expanding your posts with additional details, images, or examples that make them more informative. Next, let's focus on the navigation of your website. Make sure that users can easily find their way around. You want to have a clear and concise menu that allows visitors to access different sections of your site quickly. A complicated or hard-to-navigate site can lead to a bad user experience, which can cost you an AdSense approval. Moving on, think about policy compliance. Google has strict policies regarding the kind of content that is allowed on sites that run ads. Ensure your site doesn't feature any prohibited content, such as adult material, copyright infringement, violence, or hate speech. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with Google's policies to confirm that your content aligns with their guidelines. Now, considering your situation about switching accounts, it's important to know that if you had a previous AdSense account that was closed, there could be lingering factors affecting your current application. Google isn't fully transparent about account rejections or complications from shared IP addresses, but it could still be a consideration, especially since you share a Wi-Fi network with your brother. If you've exhaustively checked these aspects and your site still seems fine, it may be worth seeking feedback from others. You can reach out to forums, groups, or communities where fellow site owners gather. Sometimes a fresh pair of eyes can notice things you've overlooked. After you implement these changes, gather your updated insights, and then be sure to give your site some time for improvements to reflect in traffic and user engagement before resubmitting your application. Finally, remember that persistence is key. Many successful publishers had to apply multiple times before getting approved. Don't be discouraged by rejection. Instead, think of it as an opportunity to refine your site. Once you've made these adjustments, feel free to reapply for Google AdSense, and I hope you'll get that approval you're aiming for. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips on digital strategies